So as you guys know, we pretty much just lowered this car and we put brand new wheels on it. So we have BC forged wheels, BC coilovers. Looks pretty good. Fitment's good in the front and the fitment is good in the rear. So let's go ahead and get that cold start for you guys. I'm gonna hop in it. Hop in it. See the steering wheel. Center park, e-brake up. We're about to be trying out a new lens. I'm trying to get a wide angle for you guys because this one sometimes just don't cut it. It's a nice quality, but
as you can see right now.
Yeah, like you see the view right now, right? You see the screen and then the vent. Watch when I put the new lens on. And here's what the wide angle, bro. That's a huge difference. Look, so this is where we were at.
And that's only 8mm, so compared to spacing. Right?
Yeah, that's great. Look, so this is where we were at, right, guys? You know, we were talking finger. Right now, this is with the new lens. That's crazy. We definitely need that.
And imagine like you record your face.
Yeah, exactly. So like if I'm filming right now, you guys can see like everything around me and stuff. That's crazy. Yeah, we definitely gotta get a wide angle. Cause like even when we're in the Z and stuff, you guys know when I'm filming, like the steering wheel's like right here, you know? So this is dope, bro. I love this. Having this lens on makes me want to film today. Tell me why that doesn't sound bad. Yo! What the heck? That doesn't sound bad. That's the Toyota Camry. What the heck?
Hey, let's just assume it's swapped.
Yeah, for real. That's crazy. That doesn't make any sense. It's got a little camera on it. That's how y'all do it out here, man? Yeah, let's say that's how y'all do it out here, huh?
Everybody, boys.
Look how many people there are. Like it is, what time is it? It's 9:06 and there's this many people.
And we're late.
Yeah, we're late.
Well, vlog.
Sheesh. Oh, there are so many people here. Barely started and it's already packed. Like there's no parking whatsoever.
He looks like admin right there. The guy with the camera.
Yeah. Hey, that's pretty clean. That C8. You know, they're played out, so okay, we got the Nismo. Gotta add that to the collection one day.
Bro, they got a Pagani, I think. Just sitting there.
I think that's the same one that be in SAC. Yeah, because that's the only one that's out here.
Yeah, at least he drives it.
Yeah, that's true. At least he drives it.
That just means he got money.
Yeah,
money.
it has to be PPF.
No,
yeah,
retarded.
Yeah, it's true. That's like what, 3 mil? You really got it popping out here in the Bay Area. This is actually pretty clean. I like that wide body. Those wheels are clean. Okay. We got the Supra, you see that? I'm loving this new lens. I just gotta point that out. It is so amazing, bro. Okay. Obviously this is lady driven, right?
It's clean if it was a different color.
You like the color? It's different. You never seen this color. I mean, would I drive it? I don't know. I don't know, but I mean, it's, you know, I appreciate how different it is. My man's did it to a DE. That's dedication. Look at that. That's cool. He even has a, cause this is where we're at right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me zoom in for you. There you go. Think so?
Or yeah, cause the person that works here.
He had, I mean, yeah, he has the Instagram tag. That's cool though. I respect it. We got our Z boys over here. Sir, I need these seats. I need them. What, the barrels on the, okay, I see it. Well, that is different.
Usually they're just dark.
Yeah, that's cool. Cool little setup, Vampire Red, you see it?
Love that.
Okay, you guys see it?
I'm assuming this is wrap.
We're not unfamiliar. They got the, dang, it's even in my favorite color that they come in. I love the Tesla. Yeah, the new Tesla red is so clean, bro.
Is this a new one? Is that what they're saying?
I think so. Cause look, there's ambient lighting. That's crazy. I didn't even know it came like this.
All the new ones come. You know the Model 3 comes with
with ambient lighting?
Yeah, the new one.
Okay, I see they're over here upgrading. I see Elon. That's clean.
I don't know if that's factory though.
I'm telling you guys, X or S with me. The X is such a flex, bro. Imagine going somewhere. You guys heard me say, going somewhere, those doors come up like that, bro. What?
Does it even fit?
I know. I saw that. They talk about tilty boys.
He's riding on the sidewalk, bro.
Yeah, that's crazy. Lord, let me see your tire tread wear, sir.
See your sidewalk.
Nice little Z, boosted. Fitment not too bad. Not too bad in the rear. We got another one over here. Oh, I actually really like this color. I need to get on that hype too with the
I was the
out-of-state
only
plates.
one with the bumpers and seams. Look.
Wait, hold on. I've never seen this.
I've showed you that plate.
Really? I've never seen a wing cap like that. How do you feel about that? You like
From
that?
the same company. Yeah.
You like it?
It's just expensive. It's like $1,000.
I'm trying to see how I feel about it. I don't think you think it'd go with my color. You think it'd go with my color? No. This one's supercharged. Yeah, you can see the. See, the thing is, I would want a hood like this, but you guys know our turbo sits right over here, and it wouldn't work because like a whole bunch of stuff just get in the turbo because we don't have a filter on it. It's just like the guard. So all the dirt and all that stuff. Yeah, but that's. Oh, actually, you're right. Yeah, since it's pro charged, it'd be the same thing. Nice little Porsche. I actually like this color. I need this life. No way. You guys seen this? Imagine driving this thing. No way. Dude, this is sick. My only question is, if you need to change the tires, where are we jacking it up at?
It's turbo, bro.
Does it? How much power?
What kind of engine is it? That's what I was like. Oh, K24.
Oh,
Okay, this thing is fun.
okay, yeah. So this has some potential. Dude, this is sick. We got our two supercars over here. I think there's only like 3 supercars here. But again, you guys know, like, and where we live in San Diego, this is like, I'm not gonna say regular traffic, but it's more common to see cars like this out there. But in the Bay Area, they're not that common to see one. So when you see one, you're like, oh shoot. It's still cool to see one though, nonetheless. Red interior.
Oh, this is
carbon.
jumping in there,
I know, it's so low though. Like this is like, it's lower than my waist, guys. My waist is right here and the door is way down here.
damn near, bro.
Yeah, the roof is pretty much to my waist. It's crazy. It's cool though.
Perfect wing, right?
Nice little wing, yeah. He got the dishes on the whip.
And they're like slanted.
Yeah, it's crazy because like the face of the wheel makes the...
Really, the face of the wheel is like a 16.
It's like a 16, yeah, so it makes the wheel look small. It's because like the...
It's an illusion.
Yeah. Are you guys seeing this? So there's cars all the way down there and all the way down there. This might be the biggest meet I've been to out here. Quality though. Quality meet though.
Yeah, that's good.
You know what I mean? We're not talking about no side shows type vibes, turnout, or what do they call them? Takeovers. Bro, there's so many cars. That's crazy. This is cool. I like this. It's different. No way. That's so close to comfort right there, dog.
We don't know each other, but look at that. That's clean.
You like that? You like that same one, man?
Yeah, I like how they have the...
They retained it? Yeah, that is, and it's actually, yeah, that's nice. That is nice. I like that. Good job, my boy. I need that. I'm gonna need to borrow that one day. Guys, there's so many cars here. There's cars on the street, and then whenever there's a little parking lot, there's cars in there, right? Cars in there, and there's still people coming. Yeah.
That's how I know car season's coming up, right?
Yeah, for sure. You see it, man. Just, you know, brought out my refrigerator, as some would say. Wrapped it black. You see me? You
like that toaster, bro?
Honestly, I don't know what y'all have to say about this, but I would personally own one. You know, I like it because it's different. I like different things, and this definitely takes the cake. I'd purchase one for sure. I'd drive it, you know, mow it around, wrap it. Looks like he doesn't drive it because he got little spider webs back here. But it's sick though. The tires are huge. That's crazy how close I am, and this camera's picking all this up, bro. This is amazing.
Look how close I am.
Look how close. Look.
I'm about like 6.
Well, here. So, for example, this is where we were at our other camera.
All right, bro.
Right, so this is our other camera and the view of that, right? With this one, or this lens, I should say, this lens. So the other lens was like this.
Tail's gonna get ran
this
over,
is the new lens, bro. That's so amazing. Got that pumpkin thing. Yeah. There's still cars coming, guys. We're just walking and there's still cars coming. This has to be the biggest meet I've been to in Northern California. He wasn't messing with you, man. That's clean. I like that. Here, let me just have this lens. You don't need it. This is his lens, guys.
That's why I let him use it, bro, so he could like upgrade the quality of the
This lens is amazing. I need it because it also helps with.
You don't have to worry about not getting the shot.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. It also helps with stable. How do you say stability? Yeah. It helps with that. So you guys see the whip, right?
This is what you get for 8,000.
So again, I'm just showing you guys before I say what I'm about to say, right? See the whip, M3, what E36, right? Or 46, right? 46. See it? He's selling it. But how'd you know he was selling it? Actually, it doesn't even say for sale.
I just asked.
Oh.
Just because I knew I'd get that remark.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, he asked how much he was selling. Well, he's a veteran, so that's probably why he was a little bit more, a little rude.
He didn't even look at it.
Yeah, but he's selling for 80,000. So if you guys want a E46 for 80,000, there you go, right here. I need this, sir. I need this. Hey, how much horsepower?
300 at the wheels.
300 at the wheels, guys. 300 in this thing right here. We got a little bit of everything here. Look at that. That's kind of crazy when you think about it. The car is literally driving on 3 wheels. Got a whole crowd around.
He shut the whole thing down.
It's okay, Pop. Take your time. It's kind of crazy how good this. Okay. Still bouncing. It's kind of crazy how big this turnout is, bro. There's so many people here. That is crazy. Like there's still like a whole line down there. Oh shoot, you guys see it? It's a Holden. I think that's what it's called.
You know what he rolling?
It's a Holden. Okay. You never see these out here. That's crazy.
Australia car right
yeah,
there,
that's cool. This is crazy. It does sound good. This is crazy though. For real. He gonna fly by. He gonna just. There he is.
Way to let off.
For real. It was just headed.
There's cops and they will shut us down. Please do not encourage people to do burnouts or rev. We do these things to create a safe environment to show your car off, not to just do drive zones. We are not about that.
Listen to the man. He's a man with a plan.
You can't get mad at that.
Can't get mad at
shit
that.
like this don't happen.
Yeah, exactly.
The problem is,
But let's see who's the first person not to listen.
well, everybody in the car, everybody out the car right now, all the people that listen to that.
Yeah. They look responsible. He looks responsible too, so I think we're good.
I want to see a.
I was gonna say, how do you feel knowing that you were literally the only E92 here, man?
I'm surprised.
I'm actually surprised too.
I thought I was gonna see. I was like,
Yeah.
maybe I get a little ideas.
Yeah. They're all
335
eyes. Yeah, literally all of them. He's the only one. And now comes the time where we leave. It's 11 o'clock. We're starving. That's a good turnout though.
Yeah, it's nice.
Very good turnout. You guys see the roll cage? Some light in the major. Adios, amigos. They're like, sheesh. It's crazy how you can't even tell that the windshield's tinted unless the window's down. I think I said that last time. This is a very good turnout. There was a lot of cars, guys. A lot of cars, a lot of people. Ooh, that little that Mustang over there in that tires town. That looks pretty cool. Nice little BRZ. A lot of people here. I think what I do if I had the new WRX, I definitely paint match the fenders. I think it looks a little bit better. You guys see, it's kind of close for comfort right there. Too close for comfort right there. That's crazy. They have to know each other. Here they go. Damn. Whoa.
but they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball, I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say, I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life, I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like